Morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020, and these are your reading lessons for today. Our vocabulary warm-up is going to consist of some context clues work. So if you will read the text and then figure out the meaning of the unknown word sealed, and you can write that down and send that in Class Dojo. The next thing you're going to do is go to the activating strategy, which is on Central Message on YouTube. So pause this video here to complete that activity. We are going to reread the story, A Bundle of Sticks, and this time we're going to focus on the central message. So remember that the central message in a story tells us a moral or a lesson to the reader. So that's going to be your focus as you are reading and taking notes. Here are some questions for you to answer about the story. We wanted to figure out what the problem was in the story. So the children were always arguing. And what does the mother tell the students to do in the story? She breaks a stick, and she shows her children how easy it is for her to break that stick. Then she bundles them into 3 sticks together and asks the children to get and break it. None of the children could. So what did we learn? What was the central message? We are stronger when we stay together and get along. So we can apply that to our lives and in our friendships throughout our lives. Because remember, the central message is telling us what we learned in the story, but also how we can apply it to ourselves and others generally. We are going to read the story Brother and Sister to determine the problem and what the main idea is, as well as the central message or lesson. So go ahead and read Brother and Sister and focus on what is the problem in the story and what is learned by the characters at the end to come up with the central message, lesson, or moral. This is your independent practice for context clues. The next couple of slides are going to walk us through unknown words. Remember that when we are using our context clues, we have to make sure to eliminate answers that don't make sense. So as you're going through these, I want you to put an X on those that don't make sense, and you can send those via Class Dojo. Here's your next activity. And as you complete this last one, I would also like you to complete your 10 to 15 minutes daily of iStation reading. You need a total of 45 minutes per week. If you don't know how to check your times, just message me on Class Dojo and I'll be happy to help you figure that out. And I hope you guys have a great day.